Here's a 2019 GMC Yukon XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon XL has even more of it. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and V8 engine. Of the Yukon, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.